Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make your Roblox mobile look and feel like the PC version with better graphics, smooth controls and desktop style layout all from your phone. So first of all, you need to launch your Roblox application on your phone. Now you need to tap on this more icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to go to the settings of the application. Over here you will find the graphics mode. Now you need to switch it from automatic to manual and slide the graphics quality bar all the way up. So this instantly going to improve the shadows, textures and lighting just like on PC. Now you just have to swipe down your notification bar here on the top. You are going to see the option of auto rotate. So you will have to tap on the auto rotation option and change the orientation of your phone, and this way it is going to look like you are using it on your PC. Now you need to also do some of the things in the settings. So you just have to go to the settings of your device. Over here in your settings, simply just use the search bar and search for controls. Now once you are able to find the option of controls, you just have to simply tap on it, and here in the controls you will have to look for sensitivity. You can also directly look for sensitivity over here. So once you are able to find the sensitivity option, you just have to tap on that. Afterwards you need to basically just go to the Bluetooth and the keyboard section, and Roblox mobile fully support both Android and iPhone now, so you can connect your keyboard and your mouse with it. You can just start using it and you can just get into the game in your Roblox mobile, and it will work and feel like you are using it on your PC. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.